You sleeping for watermelon. You sleeping eat watermelon. Nice. You are very appreciate you. Nice. Good job. Where from, please?
Germany.
Where, Germany? Abu Pareto. Madu Fagun, avoid you to lecture Rabbi Baba out. I have something romantation. I have feeling. I have wanted up screen ladies for sleeping. Nama cici sunar buka tuh. Ini boleh macam Look bedroom people.
Yeah, okay, brother. No problema.
Look ladies already bedroom. Why you come, bro? Don't close my feeling.
I come from Germany.
Baby, follow me. I give you, okay? Come.
Do you have boyfriend?
No.
Wow. You must connect this Bluetooth me, okay?
Okay, baby.
With Bluetooth connect?
I very appreciate. Baba out, please.
I'm not going out.
Please out.
No. This is my mamacita.
You are mamacita. Ya dikala mamacita.
This is my
Baba.
date.
Please out, please. Right now.
Wait 1 second. This is my mamacita.
And this is my date.
Na, du kleines Stück Scheiße, sag doch irgendwas anderes. Sag Papacita oder so.
This is my date.
Sorry, Mama, disrespecting la. About like intelligent rupe mahajala rupa. Mama, khatibara balle sidar rabai. Na baran tendo.
No, it's okay. Hey, Abba, 1 second. Abba.
Namni ne rusi satta. Intala tante nama funa gundifte. Mahajala dufta. Akala mi funa gundifte mahajala dufta. What? Are you okay, bro? Why you come for this? Your legs? What the hell, man? What? Wait. Next, another one. Another one. United States, any country. Another one.
Hello for you guys.
Salam alaikum.
I don't want to play. I don't get smoke today. Abba, I don't have smoke today. Hi,
Shut
Abba.
up. Shut your mouth. Yeah, we say.
Guys, look at it now. 200 and something. Me? Abba.
From you.
Abba, I have to disconnect, okay? Abba, we'll play later.
Thank you.
Let me I'm from Russia. Where are you from?
I'm coming from Black China.
China. Really?
Yes. Black China country, difference between New World. Where are you?
From India. From India.
India?
Yeah.
Why you profile flags Russia?
Because I like Russia and I like Dubai. For what? For this one.
You Russia. You stand for Russia fighting Ukraine, eh? You fight Ukraine, eh? Love to sabab moda, eh?
Do you wanna play? Yes. It's alright. Okay.
Yes, this is. I don't like this one. Salam alaikum.
Hi.
Oh, how are you, baby?
I'm okay. Do you battle? How are you?
I'm fine. Nice to meet you. Where from?
England. Where are you from?
England. I remember. I'm from Black China country. Nice to meet you.
Do you battle?
Tomorrow haram.
You don't battle?
Haram.
What do you do then? Interview.
Yeah.
You don't battle, like battles.
Haram. Amaratulab. This is embassy company, not TikTok.
But you're in A1 and you don't battle?
Yede jinni yede dulati. Hariya umadiya. What are you? You say Arab sellera berliso. Come tomorrow. Stop. So I like Goromti. I like another some Goromti beautiful. You beautiful company. You beautiful world. You beautiful another one.
Nah.
Another one. أهلا وسهلا ومرحبا بكم أبو من الجن والإنس مالكم children, you are children out. This is must every people overage. This look like
Come you me black one. How are you? Come me TikTok star. Come.
tactic Yamarata, so you are busy. Go. This time is the latest United States of Yedak Alali Bokbaka. Hey, Borkoin family.
You bus speaking. Kata salit jay lurita ni moki wa.
Hello.
You bus speaking you.
Wabo wabisaba makayijirat ma nice to meet you. Wabo wabisaba kapsawa sabab sabalumota kawagadera kabaradera. Baga nagangara TikTok marata dufte. This is the life Maratha company. Nagajita, how you America? Good morning America. How you feeling America today? It's very cold or very hot. Kubala no de jolle na makubala la jitaki achida dabati. Kubala no taye to kubata ko chakara da jurma na to kachi kamne kubala la jit. Mata.
Yang try
crazy punishment.
Kumanda kat berenya wanta eger balana. Lamun tune ene kan yalo no. Hulle ene kan no. I am all day I'm queuing. I have a sniper already. Jesus Christ. Hello, what happened? You have no Wi-Fi? Jesus Christ. All day network out.
I am Portugal.
Do you have a 2G data or Wi-Fi? I have two Wi-Fi, 5G and 11G.
I have second-hand Wi-Fi.
Your home is gutter, like your gutter በእንግሊዘኛ. Yes, you understand already.
Village. የበጣም village ነበራችሁ። እንዴት ነበር ሴት?
ሰውዬ ዋይፋይን አስተካክል እሺ። እኔ ከፍልልሃለሁ። ስንት ነው?
ምን አገባ?
ስንት ነው የምትከፍለው?